This problem is a little different from our very first one because this one's now determined whether the equations have the same solution set. So it's asking me if this first equation, its solution or its x value is the same as the second equation. That means I'm going to have to solve for x for each one and compare at the end. So let's take a look at the very first problem. This problem says 3x plus 4 is equal to 8x minus 16. It doesn't look like I need to simplify on either side, so that means I can now move my x's to the left-hand side. So remember, you need to ask yourself, do I need to simplify? Do I need to distribute? Do I need to combine like terms? There's not any in this problem. I'm just going to start moving my x over. I want to move my 8x over, so I need to take the inverse operation of it, and the inverse operation of a positive 8 is a negative 8. What I do to one side, I have to do to the other side. I know we'll eliminate on this side, and now I'm left with negative 5x plus 4 is equal to negative 16. I now want to move my constants over, and my constant is this positive 4. The inverse operation of a positive 4 is a negative 4. I am now left with the negative 5x is equal to negative 16 minus 4 is negative 20. And I want to get x by itself, so I'm going to now divide by negative 5 to get x by itself. I know x is equal to negative 20 divided by negative 5 gives me a positive 4 back. So I only solved x for one of my problems. I now need to solve x for my second equation. So remember, I need to ask myself, do I need to distribute? Do I need to combine like terms? In this problem, x plus 4 is equal to 6x minus 16. No, I don't have to combine like terms. I do not need to distribute anything. So I'm going to do the exact same thing. I want my x's to the left and my constants to the right. I mean that 6 is no longer a positive 6x, but a negative 6x because I want to move it over. That eliminates on this side. I'm going to make that bridge so I don't get confused. And I'm now left with, remember that coefficient. If it doesn't have a coefficient, it has a coefficient of 1. 1x minus 6x, which will give me negative 5x back. This positive 4 does drop down. It's equal to this negative 16. Hey, that kind of looks familiar, which does give me x is equal to 4. Since we are now in 8th grade, we do have to write a sentence. So I'm going to write a sentence. I'm going to say, the solution of both equations is 4. Just to recap on what I did, I solved for x for each of the equations, and then I compared, is x equal to the same number on both equations? If they were, all I said that the solutions were both equal to the number 4. If one solution was equal to the number 4 and the other one was not, then I would say the solution for both is not 4.